Hey YouTubers, today we're going to install a transmission cooler on a 2013 Nissan Versa 4-speed automatic non-CVT. The problem for this vehicle is that after 20 to 45 minutes, depending on the driving conditions, the car starts heating up and the transmission starts to not shift smoothly. It starts to kind of like wants to rev up a little bit. The shift points are all erratic. That is because of the overheating on the transmission and overheating on the internals of the transmission itself. We're going to try to fix that problem by adding an external cooler to help to dissipate all of the heat on the transmission. It's going to be a simple install. You don't need a real big special tools or anything like that. So let's try to do that real quick. This is the steps. Okay, right now I'm gonna install the cooler between the bumper and the bumper brace without removing the bumper. At the bottom of the transmission, you're gonna see here in a second, that's where we're gonna start looking for the transmission output line. And that line is gonna be located on the driver's side, top of the radiator, coming down. So we're gonna have to remove that one. So when we install our little cooler, one of the lines is gonna be connected to that hard line, to the hard line. On the other side is gonna be connected to the other side coming from the transmission itself. So that will complete the loop. So the idea of the fluid coming out of the radiator that is hot going into the transmission, we need to break that point and put our little cooler there, so it's actually being cooler by going through the little radiator that we just trying to install here. And that is one of the line that is from top of that radiator. So here is our little cooler that I bought at parts store, and I am marking my little pilot holes so to install it with the regular self-tapping screws. Put them on real quick and you're basically done. No problems whatsoever. All right. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully this video helped you resolving your problem in your 2013 Nissan Versa. Please, if you like the video, just I ask you just to please like and subscribe. That'll help the channel a lot. And until then, see you. Bye-bye.